What if I told you that jogging just 15 minutes a day could literally rewire your brain and extend your life? 1. Boosts heart health. Jogging strengthens your heart and improves blood circulation, cutting your risk of heart disease by up to 45%. 2. Enhances lung capacity. It trains your lungs to take in more oxygen, improving your stamina and energy levels. 3. Improves mood. Jogging releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good hormones that fight stress and anxiety. 4. Supports weight control. Even a light jog can burn 200–400 calories in 30 minutes, helping you manage or lose weight effectively. 5. Strengthens bones and joints. The impact helps increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. 6. Improves sleep quality. People who jog regularly fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. 7. Extends lifespan. Studies show that regular joggers live up to 3 years longer than non-runners. So, are you ready to jog your way to a longer, happier life? Start small. Even 10 minutes counts. Follow for more quick science-backed health tips.